Hey everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to play A major chord. A major chord notes are A, C sharp and E. And there are three inversions in this chord, that is root inversion, that is A, C sharp and E. And then the first inversion is C sharp, E and A. And then the second inversion is E, A and C sharp. The song that comes to mind when we think of this A major chord is the song called In My Place by Coldplay. Let's hear it, how it goes. So I'm going to play the chords on the left hand. Now there are other chords also that come in. But the song starts with the A major chord. So it goes like this. That? So that's a simple melody on the right hand and the chords go on the left hand. So let me do it again, a bit more slower so you can actually learn it. Let's do it. So here what I'm doing is I'm playing it constantly. Like I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So each of it go twice. That is, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you repeat it again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go to the C sharp. Now that's a chord called C sharp minor. We're not learning that today, but you can actually get to see the notes and try playing it. So this is A major. That's what we're concentrating today, right? So each of the chords are played twice. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat 2, 3, 4. Again, come back to A, 2, 3, 4, repeat 2, 3, 4, and go to the third position. This is an F sharp minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat 2, 3, 4, and then you come back to A major, right? So let's do it together. So how do I play this? Got that? So that's how we play the song In My Place and the chord A major, right? Hey everybody, I hope you learned something new and informative today. And dear friends, I want to bring to your notice a music course that I've set up, and it's a free music course for anybody who want to learn to sing and play the piano. Dear friends, for more than a decade, I've been performing at different hotels, different performance concerts, and this experience I want to bring to anybody. Now, this music course is for regular people who want to learn to sing and play the piano. So if you are a person who wants to learn to sing and play the piano and you're not that great at playing the piano, you're not that great at singing, dear friends, I want you to take this up. It's a free music course. It's introductory level where you can get an understanding of what it takes. I'm going to show you what it takes to go step by step to be able to sing and play the piano. Welcome, dear friends. I hope to see you there at the course. Bye-bye.